And today, this is the final part of our beginner level game. So let's start where we left off in the last video. So, last video we left off with our Ben. He says how many points you score after the game ends. And also, you can set your time left to 60 because that's appropriate for time right now. Yeah. So now we're gonna make the Cheesy Puff change all sorts of colors. So we want to go to change color effect, and then let's just bop in there. And look, now it changed all sorts of colors. Oh yeah, it's like a disco. It's like a disco Cheesy Puffs. More tastier for Scratch Cat. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, next thing we want to do for Scratch, we're going to make a really cool thing that he does when he gets the Cheesy Puffs. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a... Actually, take out the meow sound because you don't need that. So you can have that, and then you want to go to looks, and then you want to say, then he's going to say, thanks. So, thanks. For about 1 second. So, thanks. And then now you can add your sound back in if you want to. So I'm going to do that. So now, it's less annoying. Now we scored 20 points. So actually I'm going to put the meow sound before the thanks, because now we got our dancing Ben. So that was pretty cool. So let's do something with the backdrop. So we're going to also make it really weird. Actually, let's change our cat. Actually, I want to make him like flying, and then the Cheesy Puffs just fly everywhere. So, actually, I'm gonna choose a new sprite. So I'm gonna say in the search, I'm gonna say flying cat. Let me just wait for it to load. Okay, now we want to say flying cat. So now let's wait for it. Okay, so I'm gonna get cat flying A. Then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm gonna paste it. So then you wanna drag this over like that, and then I'm going to get this like that. So now we got our his helmet. So now I'm going to get this. So I'm gonna Control C, and then I'm gonna do Control V. There. Now we got the glass. So now we got his helmet on. Now it's like this. But we want to make it more better, then let's delete the going right and left, so you can go only up and down. So don't make him spawn here, or don't make him spawn at 0, 0. Make him spawn like right about here. So here, so you can delete this, and then you can go in motion, and then just drag this. So now we can only go up and down like this, because actually now let's remove to go to random place. So random position, so do this. So now he's over here, and then cheesy puffs. We just want our cheesy puffs to rotate and go over here. Like, let's make it go this way. So move, say this. So first you want to make it change X by -10. And then we want to say go to X random and Y random. So we're going to drag this in, then we're going to go to operators, then we're going to do a pick random like this. Pick random X and Y. Actually not X. We're just going to make the X spawn right from here. So that's Y. Actually it's Y 164 to -164. Yeah, so -164 to 164. So now its Y should be somewhere, yeah, like that. But now we want to make it so that actually, yeah, see, we want to make duplicates of it. So also in the forever loop, let's keep on saying create clone of myself like this. So then when I start as a clone, we're just going to do this. We're just going to do the same thing. So this. Just do this. Now we should find clones. Okay, so I need to wait for my thing to... Oh, gosh, I think it's gonna crash. Oh, no. There's too many. Oh, no. I need to go to the cheesy puffs. I need to delete it. Oh. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so that was a lot. So we're just gonna make a clone, and then we're gonna just wait to make another clone. So we're gonna make another place. So we're just gonna duplicate this. Then we're just gonna make a forever loop that just keeps on creating clones. So like this, and then keep the forever loop, and then put this, and then we want to get a wait because it will load so many. Okay, let's wait. So okay, actually let's stop this. Let's actually wait like 3 seconds till it makes another clone. And also we want it to delete when it goes to that place. Wait. So it's right here. We want it right here. Okay, so X 247. So now we want to, oh wait, so we also have to do something when it starts as a clone. So let's put this, and then we'll say like this also. So let's just let's just do this, and then we're going to do whatever here too. So this is what the clone is going to do. So that's how the clone works. So and also the X has to be right here. Wait, okay, so X is so the X is going to be 240, like that, and then so like that, so 240. So now they all spawn right that, and now we have to go. Then we have to do some for the clone also. So next we actually now let's do the deleting. So I'm gonna put this in a forever loop. Now we're gonna do delete this clone in here, but now we have to get a less than. Actually, yeah, a less than. So less than negative 47, negative 47, 247 I mean. So 247, so if X, so go to motion, then just say X position, like that, it's like that. So now they should be deleting. Actually just do a equal to. So I'm just gonna say equal to. So now let's see.